Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Igbo Academy and my name is Chioma. Today we are talking about some farm tools in Igbo language. Farm tools in Igbo language, and it is called Ngwa Ugbo. So today we are talking about Ụfọdụ Ngwa Ọrụ Ugbo, some farm tools. Ụfọdụ ngwa ọrụ ugbo in Igbo language. That's some farm tools in Igbo language. Number one, we have the hoe. Hoe. And the hoe is called ogo. The hoe for farming is called ogo. We use ogo to farm. Hoe is one of the farm tools and it is called ogo. Ogo. Ogo in Igbo language. Number two, we have the cutlass. The cutlass is called Nnukwu. Nnukwu. Nnukwu is called the cutlass. The cutlass is called Nnukwu in Igbo language, or it is called Obuadana. 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 Some people call it Obuadana. Some people call it Nnukwu. Then number three, we have the knife. The knife is called Mma. Knife is called Mma. Number four, we have the basket. The basket. The basket we use in putting things after going to the farm, our produce, our tools when we are going to the farm. It is called the basket. And the basket in Igbo language is called abo or nkata. Abo or nkata. Abo or nkata is called the basket in Igbo language. Abo or nkata. Abo or nkata is called the basket. Then we'll go to number five. Number five, the axe. The axe is called Anyuike in Igbo language. The axe is called Anyuike. Anyuike, axe. Anyuike, axe. So we know what the axe is. We use it in cutting down trees that are big, in breaking firewood. It's called the axe, and we call it Anyuike. We use it also in uprooting big trees, so we call it Anyuike. Number six, we have the rope. The rope. The rope is called Eriri. Rope is called Eriri. Eriri is called, rope is called Eriri. So we use the rope in tying things. When we go to fetch firewood, we use Eriri to tie it. So it's called the rope. Then Eriri is called rope. Rope is called Eriri. Then we have number seven. Number seven, we have the pick we use in digging the ground. The pick we use in digging the ground. And it is called Ungu. It is called Ungu in Igbo language. We use it in harvesting yam, cassava. We don't want to dig the ground and we don't want everywhere to be affected. We don't want to hit something else because it has a sharp end at one end and a flat one at the other end. So we don't want to destroy things. That's what we call the pig Ungu. Ungu. We mostly use it in harvesting. In harvesting cassava, yam, cocoyam, and the rest. When we want to harvest and we don't want it to affect everywhere, we don't want to use the hoe, we use the pig. So that is all. I just have only 7 farm tools in Igbo language, and it is called Ngwa. Okay, wait, we have another one. We have number 8. We have okay, 7. We just have 7. Let's just stick with the 7s now. The 7 that we know. 7 farm tools in Igbo language. Let's go through them again. Hoe, ogu. Hoe, ogu. hoe, ọgụ. Cutlass, nnukwu mma or ogbuadana. Cutlass, nnukwu mma or ogbuadana. Knife, mma. Knife, mma. Basket, basket, abọ or nkata. Basket, abọ or nkata. Axe, anyụike. Axe, anyụike. Rope, eriri. Rope, eriri. Pick, ngwu. Pick, ngwu. That'll be all for this section or for this segment. Please make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Share my videos and go through them again so that you learn how to speak Igbo very well. Thank you very much and do have a nice day. Kemesia Claudivazia.